Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Khalid here with this song called Therapy. We have like one chord progression goes through the entire song, and that is great. Let's start, no need for any capo. We have 5 different chords to handle, so let's start with the chords. A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be G. We will have third on E, second on A, open D, open G, and we will have on B, third fret on B, but we will also use the G without, so it's open B. So both variations here of G, both the one with third on B and the one with open B. And finally, third E. Next is C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Then comes the D minor. That is open D, second G, third B, and first E. And finally we have the F. So you need to bar all strings on the first fret, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. Alright, so I'm gonna give you first the thing that is played in the song. Like one pluck like this and a clap. That's what's going on in the song for each chord. But I'm gonna also give you an alternative strumming pattern that you can use if you wanna kind of give more sound to it, more play to this song, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna give you that later as well. But we will start with the basic and the standard play here for the song. So it starts with A minor, and you're gonna pluck strings like this. That's the best way of handling this these chords here in the song. And you're gonna pluck the A, D, G, and B string. Here you want to emphasize the first fret B string, so don't forget about that string. So pluck all the strings together and give it a clap. I will suggest you to clap only the E string here, and that will give you that you don't kill the sound completely. If you clap like this, it's quiet. So let the strings ring out and clap on the E. Alright, so that's just technique stuff there. So A minor, clap. Then comes G, and for this first G here, you will use the G variation here with the third on B, because that is the string you want to emphasize here for this chord. So you're gonna pluck the E string in the bass together with the D, G, and B string. And this time, like I said, use the third fret on B. You want this note here, okay? So pluck these 4 strings and give it a clap. Then comes the C. Here you want to emphasize the open E string. So that means you're gonna pluck the A string, the G, the B, and E. All these 4 together. And give it a clap. Then comes the D minor. Here you're gonna pluck all the 4 strings that belongs to the D minor chord, and you want to emphasize the first fret E string, this note. This chord is without a clap because it goes a little bit faster there, so it will be C, clap, then D, and then immediately you go to A minor, which is the next chord. So this A minor, you're gonna play the same strings as you played for the first A minor. So A, D, G, and B string. Give it a clap, like this. Then comes the G chord. This second G you will play with the open B string. And why? Since that is the note you want to emphasize here. So that is the open B. So you play the same strings as the first G, the E, D, G, and B. Give it a clap. And then we'll have the final chord left, the F. The note you want to emphasize here is the 2nd fret G string. So this one. So pluck all the strings here from E, A, D, and G. Clap, clap. So 2 claps on this final F. So that was the melody that is used for this song. I'm gonna play that through for you now. And soon we're gonna go over the strumming which you could use for this song. It's kind of not used in the original version, but I mean, with just one guitar, it could be funnier to do something more than just pluck one time. So that's the reason. But first, let's go over the main melody. Yeah, so that was 2 rounds. Now we will look at the strumming, and it's pretty easy. We will work with the strumming pattern down, down, up. Okay, so and the down, down, up will be instead of the plucking one time. So that means on A minor, down, down, up, clap. And you go on like this. So A minor, down, down, up, clap. Then G, down, down, up, clap. Then C will be down, down, up, clap. Down, down, up. Okay? So down, down, up, clap. Down, down, up. And then you shift to D minor and play down, down, up. And then you go to A minor and play down, down, up, clap. Down, down, up, clap on G, and down, down, up, clap on F. Down, down, up, clap 2 times. Down, down, up, clap. All right, so to repeat this, down, down, up, clap, A minor, down, down, up, clap, G, and then on C will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, and then shift to D minor and play down, down, up. So it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then A minor, down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, and an F 2 times, down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the strumming pattern for a couple rounds now, so let's go. Right, so yeah, that was Khalid's therapy. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please thumb up, subscribe to this channel, and get more of Khalid in the future. See you soon, guys. Take care and play tuned.